If you want to accelerate your money growth, it starts here. Learn a high-income skill. Most people work hard, but hard work alone doesn't scale. High-income skills let you earn based on value, not time. Think of skills like copywriting, sales, coding, digital marketing, design, video editing. These are skills that businesses and creators constantly need and are willing to pay top dollar for. Start by picking one that aligns with your interests. Don't jump around. Use free platforms like YouTube, Skillshare, or Coursera to learn. Spend 1 hour daily learning, and within a month, you'll know more than 90% of people. After 30 days, start practicing by offering help for free or low rates. Build your confidence, collect testimonials. From there, increase your rates and promote your services through Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. High-income skills are the foundation of financial independence. They give you control. This is tip number 1 in the series. Watch the next video to learn how to stop relying on just one income stream and start building a money engine.